Hello everyone, welcome to Challenge Solution. So today we are going to create a very simple one page site. So let's remove this. So first go to site and then go to websites. Click add new page. So let's create home page. Home. You can add path and click funnels, URL. We can add it later. So create a new page. So create a blank page so that we can learn, especially for for beginners. This is just a very simple. So add, let's say one column, and we would like this to have a background. Let's say, and I don't want to make it gradient, just simple. Okay, then, and then after that, I will add a menu. Okay, so in this menu, you can add different page here, like blog, blog. So I would like to, oops. So I would like to put the blog above the contact. So since our background is only in this area, we would like to put the background here, this green section, full width. Okay, so here. So next is I would like to create I would like to add a column, two column. The one is for image, the other one is for the text or okay. So I will add a lorem ipsum here, text, a dummy text. I will add a dummy text. So paste, Control V, paste. So if you want hello, I'm great, something like that. So if you want this to be in left align, you can actually go that by going to text align. For me, I would like to make it something like that. So next is, for example, we would like to add another column. This is for the form. For example, you want to add a form. You need to select the form. So you need to set up the form first before you can able to view the form and insert it here. So here, for example, you would like to add a map. So it's not perfect, but yeah, I hope beginners can understand. So in here, so if you want to add a color here, as you can see, if you don't want a whole white for this section, you need to create a another column. So you want to change the color of this to something like that or different color. Mm. And then if you want to this, add this inside, add this inside this block. See, you can now have a layer of background colors. And then if you want to add a button here, you can just simply search a button. Something like that. And then footer, okay, here. No, but I don't want it here. So I want something. You can add something like here in this menu like FAQ, FAQ, or whatever you like. You can also add a column. You do have different column. If you want to put a logo here, oh, sorry, just an image. And then you can add a links, social icons. Hmm, icon, and then um, so you need to explore. Okay, 60, 100. You need to explore. Then height would be 80.